Audi has unveiled an electrifying new off-road concept that takes one of its electric sport utility vehicles to the extreme. The vehicle, originally a Q6 Sportback E-Tron, has undergone a dramatic transformation featuring a bold design and the addition of portal axles, an innovation that is a rarity in consumer vehicles. But what exactly are portal axles? They are a system of gears positioned near the wheels, designed to increase ground clearance beneath the axle. By raising the center line of the axle and lifting the differential higher, this setup allows for better off-road performance. Audi has not provided in-depth details about its use of portal axles, but has noted that they represent a fresh development for the company. Portal axles are more commonly seen in military vehicles, though a few production models like the Mercedes-Benz G500 4x4 squared, the G63 AMG 6x6, and the Unimog have utilized this technology. Other notable examples include the Toyota Mega Cruiser and the Hummer H1. These axles are prized for their ability to tackle tough terrains, making their inclusion in this Audi concept particularly exciting. This rugged Q6 Sportback E-Tron features aggressive all-terrain tires from Venom Power, flared wheel arches, and a roof rack complete with additional lighting. Unique LED lights beneath the main headlights, resembling those from a Volkswagen Golf GTI, add to its distinct look. The front bumper has been trimmed to improve the vehicle's approach angle, enhancing its capability on uneven surfaces. While Audi has not confirmed whether the concept is based on the standard Q6 e-tron or the high-performance SQ6 e-tron, the latter boasts impressive specifications in its production version. 483 horsepower, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.3 seconds with launch control, and a top speed of 143 miles per hour. Its 94.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides a range of up to 377 miles in the worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicle Test Procedure cycle. This concept offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of Audi's electric lineup. While a production version with portal axles might remain a dream for now, enthusiasts can hope this bold experiment inspires future off-road ready electric vehicles.